Hey guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can merge two dictionaries into one. Let me first correct this two. Alright, so we have two dictionaries, sales 1, sales 2, and we want to merge them. Well, you can merge it within a single line. Within a single line if you are using Python 3.5 and higher. Okay, so what I'm showing you is one quick trick. So sales is equals to open and close the dictionary and then use these two stars, right? This is a new basically a way that have been introduced into the Python 3.5 to get all the values within the dictionary. So sales 1 and then star sales 2, as well as at other in case of functions, even you can specify this and can get the multiple different types of parameters acceptance. So I would recommend that you read about the new Python documentation, which is 3.5, about this to get the more idea. But what it is doing is it is getting all the list of values over here, and then within that dictionary we are combining it into a one. Alright, sales 1 and 2 does not exist. I'll just execute. It should exist now. Sales, I have the dictionary combined into one. Okay, after that if you are not using Python 3.5, then what you need to do, so first of all you will say sales is equals to sale1 dot sales 1 dot copy to create a copy of it, and then you will say sales dot update sales 2. Once you do that, see the sales. So that's the method for those guys who are using the lower version of Python 3.5, and you will see I have the values from both the lists. So that's how you can concatenate or merge two different lists into one.